The ancient Egyptians worshipped a lot of animals. By the middle of the 4th century BC, there were animal cults all over Egypt. You had sacred dogs, cats, fish, and even crocodiles. And each of these cults had their own temples and priests, so they were taken very seriously. In some temples, live animals were actually worshipped. The premise was these animals were representatives of the gods. There were strict rituals and everything. For example, one of these temples had a sacred cow. After the cow's death, it would be embalmed, wrapped in linen bandages, and then hidden away in a vault. Another example were baboons. After each baboon's death, they were deified as the god Osiris and put inside of a wooden box. And pilgrims would come from all over Egypt to pay tribute to them.